Hey, what's up guys? It's Sean here again. Today I'll be doing another unboxing. This time it's going to be an unusual unboxing. It's not a phone, not a tablet. It's actually a shaver by Philips Norelco. It's called the Shaver 7800. So here it is. Here's the box of it. So this is the shaver. Comes with a lot of accessories as well. So I can see a traveling case, power adapter, a cleaning stand. So I got this at a very good deal on Amazon on Prime Day. Let's go ahead and unbox this up and see what we get inside the box. So here it is guys, the box of the shaver 7800. So it says close shave, advanced skin protection. That's what I was talking about. It keeps your skin nice and smooth and doesn't give you any acne or any razor burns that you normally get from the 5-blade razors. And here's the cleaning pod that I was talking about. Let's see what else we have. So it's a shower-proof lithium-ion battery with up to 60 minutes of cordless shaving on a 1-hour charge. That's not bad. And one touch open to clean it. Replacement heads. Well, actually, you can buy the replacement heads too. Not sure how often you have to change them. Okay. Skin glide coating. So it's 30% smoother gliding on your skin than other Norelco shavers. And a pop-up trimmer to trim your sideburns, and 360 contour heads so it contours to your face. Motion control sensor and smart hair sensor. It has a Sense IQ technology and that senses and adapts to your skin as you use it. So that's pretty good. Not bad. Here are the things that you get in the box, I'm guessing. Let's go ahead and cut off the seal real quick. There we go. Let's put aside my knife real quick. I don't want to cut myself up. I don't want to cut my fingers open. Okay. So this is the Philips Daily Care app that you can download. Let's see what else we get. So here is, I'm guessing, the traveling case, and the shaver is most probably inside the case. I'm gonna put this aside for just a second. Let's see what else we get. Here's a charging cable. Oh, so the charging head, the charging port is just like the one on the Norelco One Blade. It looks very similar to that. So here's I'm guessing the charging stand. So you can just put your razor on this and it'll charge and also act as a stand. So not bad. It's pretty cool. Put this aside. This is a cleaning brush, so you can clean your shaver head. And let's lift this up. And this is the main thing, guys. This is like the coolest thing that it comes with. That's the reason I spent more money on this. This is, I'm guessing, yeah, the quick clean pod. So you just put your razor upside down inside here and it cleans up the razor in 1 minute. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty cool. I'm gonna give it a try later. And then over here, what is this? Wow, some kind of a liquid. Oh, this is a quick clean pod cartridge. Wow, I thought he just put water in it. I didn't know you had to put something else. Okay, I'm not sure how this works though. Wow, cleaning cartridge. I have no idea how this works. Maybe just put this inside the quick clean pod? Maybe. It says, show some steps over here to take off the cap and then insert something in here. But yeah, we'll get to this later. Let's see what else we get. So here are the user manuals and some warranty guide. Cool, awesome. And I'm guessing that is it. That is all we get in the box. Yes. This all back inside. Let's put this box aside for a second and get to the main part. The main item that you guys came here for, the shaver itself, right? Wow, what a nice traveling case. Wow, really good. Let's open this up. here it is, guys, the shaver 7800 itself. Let's get rid of this cardboard and see how the shaver looks. Nice, looks good in this color. Already liking it. Very nicely made. I can already tell it's very rigid, sturdy, and I guess they used aluminum. Yeah, wow. And their sides are rubberized to give you a better grip. And this is a 3D contour, so it contours to your skin, so it doesn't cut you or give you any nicks. But wow, looks so nice. Yeah, really nice. Wow. And I'm guessing this is the styler for sideburns. Awesome. Let's see if this turns on or not. Oh, it turned on. So I'm guessing it's fully charged right now. Actually, no, it only has 1 point, so it needs to be charged. And it's on. You guys can hear it. And oh wow, it's not that loud. And doesn't vibrate that much either. I mean, it's so smooth. Awesome. Wow. Really good, man. Really nice. And it says it's IPX7, so you can use it while taking a shower as well. So it's completely waterproof. Yeah, otherwise very nice materials used on this. All I can say is amazing. And that is going to be it for this video, guys. And I hope you liked it. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.